Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the 4-bit parallel subtractor using half and full subtractor. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic 4-bit parallel subtractor using half and full subtractor. This 4-bit parallel subtractor we can construct using the full adder also. That is separate video available here using half and full subtractor. Let us consider the first number 4-bit number A4, A3, A2, A1. The 4 digits of the first number. A1 is the LSB, A4 is MSB. Then second number is B4, B3, B2, B1. Then the difference between this number is D4, D3, D2, D1. And the borrow, while making subtraction, the borrow generator BO4, BO3, BO2, BO1. Right? So first number A, second number B, difference and borrow is available. The borrow in is 0. While doing the first digit, while doing the subtraction of first digit, we are making borrow as 0. And the last digit, the borrow B04 is taken as a B out. That is given to next digit. Right? B in is 0, B out is nothing but B04. So based on that, we'll go to the logic diagram. We'll see the logic diagram of this 4-bit parallel subtractor. So here we are using 1 half subtractor and 3 full subtractors. We know that half subtractor will subtract 2 digits. Full subtractor means 3 digits. So first digit we have only A1 and B1. The borrow is we are make it as 0. So that we are using here half subtractor. Half subtractor is enough. Yes, the borrow we are taken as 0. So that first stage for subtracting the first digit of both the numbers, we are using half subtractor. Thereby the borrow is generated here. So we need full subtractors. For other 3 digits we are using full subtractor. Right. So half subtractor subtract the digits A1 and B1. It will generate the difference D1 and borrow B01. This borrow is given to the next stage full subtractor. This full subtractor will perform the subtraction between these 3 A2, B2 and borrow B01. Then it will generate the difference D2 and also generate the borrow B02. That is given to the third stage full subtractor. This subtractor will perform the difference between B3, A3 and B02 and generate the difference D3. Also generate the borrow B03 that is given to the fourth stage full subtractor. So it will perform the subtraction B4, A4 and B03, produce the difference D4. The borrow also produce the B04, that is borrow out. That can be given to the next stage. So here parallelly we are doing the subtraction. A1, B1, A2, B2, A3, B3, A4, B4 along with the carry. First stage only 2 digits, so we are using 1 half subtractor. Remaining 3 digits we are using full subtractor. Now the description available, what we discussed, it is given, the statements are available. To perform the subtraction of binary number with more than 1 bit, we have to use the parallel subtractor. This parallel subtractor can be designed in several ways, including the combination of half and full subtractors, all full subtractors, all adders with subtrahend, complement input, etc. So there are several ways available. Here we are used the half and full subtractor. The diagram shows 4-bit parallel binary subtractor formed by connecting 1 half subtractor and 3 full subtractors. Right. So further some more details available. In this subtraction, 4-bit minuend for A4, A3, A2, A1 is subtracted by the 4-bit subtrahend B4, B3, B2, B1, and the result is difference output D4, D3, D2, D1. The borrow output of each subtractor is connected as a borrow input to the next subtractor. So in this video we discussed the 4-bit parallel subtractor using half and full subtractor. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.